Hey there.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Analytical 11 Studio. Please share and subscribe. In this tutorial also we will design some Catia 2D designs. See the design and note down the dimensions. And follow the steps. Open the part design, select the top plane. Draw a rectangle and pat it. Further, select the top surface of the plane, draw the design as shown and again pat it. After finishing the sketch, make sure the sketch has a line to the surface of the rectangle for the Use Constrain tool. Similarly, draw another sketch as shown in the video. Make sure the dimensions are correct and use the pocket option and make a cut throughout the sketch. Later, to create a rectangle hole, select the top plane and draw a box with a given dimension. Similarly, make a hole in the front plane. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Please share and subscribe.